When I prepare this recipe, we never have any leftovers. Easy and mouth-watering. Let's start by cutting 100 grams of mozzarella cheese into dices. Now in a bowl, add 300 grams of beef mince, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now take a piece of seasoned beef with your hands, poke a hole in the middle, add a dice of mozzarella cheese, and roll it into a meatball. Repeat the process with the remaining beef. Put them aside. In another bowl, add 200 grams of cream cheese, 3 eggs, 1 pinch of salt, and mix until smooth. Try this recipe and surprise your loved ones. It's super easy and delicious. Add 120 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix energetically. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us a lot. Now grease a baking pan with butter, then add the meatballs. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.